Hello, how are you? Hope you're good. I'm fine, thank you. Welcome back to my channel. It's always lovely to have your company, and it's always a pleasure to make a video for you. Now, I'm going to attempt to do a giveaway today. It's my first time. I've got 60 subscribers, and I'd like to say thank you so much for all your support and subscribing to my channel. I thought I would like to give away some craft goodies and stationery, because I do have a lot over the years. I've collected, and friends and family have bought me a lot of stuff. I do have a lot of doubles of things, and I can't use them obviously all at once, and I would like to share some with you. Now, first of all, I've got some metallic cardboard stickers. These are by Disney, and there's 70 pieces there. It's got all the alphabets, it's got Disney shoe and all sorts of bits and pieces, butterfly, flower. So, and they're all made out of love hearts, the alphabets, and there's some numbers as well that goes to 10. So that's that, and I will let you know, of course, what you should do to enter this giveaway. I've also got some Crystal Art Easy Peel self-adhesive stickers, and these are the numbers, and they're all glittery. They're rhinestones. They're really pretty. Don't think the camera does justice, but they are really pretty. Got those as well. We've got the alphabets to go with them. Really nice they are. They feel so good. And then I have a packet of 99 pieces of home and office accessories, and you've got the little bulldog clips, paper clips, and your pins to maybe pin stuff on your board or whatever. And that's 99 pieces in here, which is really good. And then I have some adhesive rhinestones. Again, these are different sizes. They're really pretty, absolutely pretty. And these are by Paper Mania. Okay. Now this one's a very interesting one. This one is an Ice Lolly notes and pencil, and there's, let's have a look, 1,000 sticky notes in here. really interesting this one is. Right, so I've got one for myself and I've opened it, so that's how it is. Let's have a look. You take it out of the packet. And that's it. That's your lolly. And there's a pencil. And your sticky notes. So that's that. You get that sealed, all sealed. Then I have some tags. You can make some, you know, embellishments and stuff with these. And then I thought I would add this in. I really do love this. I was given a few of these by friends and family, and this is a birthday card. Happy birthday. But it's really retro. I really love it. It is so nice and unusual. Really lovely. I love it. So that's all nice and sealed, brand new. You could use that to send to somebody for their birthday. And then we have a packet of Love to Craft paper doilies, and these 30 in this packet. There's 30 in this packet, so you've got those, and the colour's beautiful. Alright, lovely. You can even use the back of this actual card to do something with. Can't waste this. It's lovely. Got butterflies on it. It's lovely. And then I have some city notes, they're called, and this one's Paris. They're sticky notes, stationery sticky notes, and this one is made up of Paris. They're really beautiful, really nice. Okay, so you've got 75 sticky notes here. Beautiful. And then you've got the sticky tape to go with it, and there's 3 3 sticky tapes there. Lovely. And you have the New York as well, which is really nice. These are all brand new, really pretty. 75 sticky notes in there, and you have the sticky tape to go with it. There's 3 of those. They're lovely. So that's what I'm giving away. And to enter the giveaway, it is an international giveaway, so because I'm trying to sort of be fair here, so it's an international giveaway, and what I would like you to do, number 1, is to subscribe to my channel. And please don't subscribe just to try and win the giveaway and then unsubscribe. That's not fair, that's mean, and that's cheating. And I've heard a lot of crafters has mentioned this in their videos when they're doing giveaways. People are subscribing just to enter and to try and win, and then unsubscribe after. That's not nice. Not nice at all. So please don't do that. Also, number 2, I'd like you to comment below what you think about the supplies that I'm giving away and what you can create from these. Number 3 is what part of the world you're from. Right? And the giveaway will end on Saturday, and I will pull out a name on Sunday, roughly around 6 p.m. UK time. I'd like to thank you very, very much again to my subscribers who've subscribed to my channel and have been really supportive. The main purpose that I decided to do videos on YouTube was to connect with people. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video as well, and don't forget you can connect with me. There's a PO box address below, and you can also find me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Oh, and good luck.